From Buddhānussati to cutting the cycle of dependent origination and attaining Sotāpanna. Imagine this: simply by recollecting the qualities of the Buddha, an ordinary mind can be transformed into a mind that enters the stream leading to Nibbāna. In Buddhism, recollecting the Buddha, called Buddhānussati, is not merely chanting or memorizing words. It is a profound method of training the mind that can lead to seeing the truth of life. And in some discourses, the practice of Buddhānussati can directly lead to the attainment of Sotāpanna, stream entry. The question is, how does this happen? Part 1. What is Buddhānussati? Buddhānussati is the recollection of the qualities of the Buddha, such as Arahant, the one who is far removed from defilements; Sammā-sambuddho, the one who is perfectly self-awakened; Vichārana-sampanno, the one perfected in knowledge and conduct. This recollection is not merely reciting words, it is remembering with understanding and faith. When the mind reflects on the pure qualities of the Buddha, a deep sense of devotion and confidence arises. Part 2. Which Satipatthana does Buddhānussati belong to? In practice, Buddhānussati relates to Dhammanupassana Satipatthana, the contemplation of Dhammas, which is one of the 4 foundations of mindfulness, Satipatthana. The 4 foundations of mindfulness are: 1. Kaya-nupassana, mindfulness of the body; 2. Vedana-nupassana, mindfulness of feelings; 3. Citta-nupassana, mindfulness of the mind; 4. Dhammanupassana, mindfulness of mental phenomena or Dhammas. Buddhānussati is recollection of the supreme Dhamma qualities, so it falls within Dhammanupassana. This teaching appears in the important discourse known as the Satipatthana Sutta. Part 3. How Buddhānussati transforms the mind. When a practitioner deeply recollects the Buddha, the mind undergoes the following process: faith to joy, piti, to calm, to concentration. This step is very important. A mind filled with faith is not easily overwhelmed by greed, anger, delusion. Therefore, the mind becomes calm, bright, and stable. This is the kind of concentration that is ready for wisdom to arise. Part 4. When concentration arises, wisdom begins to work. When the mind becomes calm and stable, the practitioner begins to see the truth of experience. For example, thoughts arise and pass away. Feelings arise and pass away. Emotions arise and pass away. Through this observation, one understands 3 universal characteristics: anicca, impermanence; dukkha, unsatisfactoriness; anatta, non-self. This is called seeing the 3 characteristics. Part 5. The point where the cycle of dependent origination is cut. Buddhism explains the arising of suffering through the principle of dependent origination. The process is contact, to feeling, to craving, to clinging, to becoming, to birth, to suffering. The crucial point lies between feeling to craving. Normally, when feelings arise, pleasant feeling leads to we want it to stay. Painful feeling leads to we want it to disappear. This is craving. But when mindfulness and wisdom are present, the practitioner sees that feelings are simply things that arise and pass away. When this is seen clearly, craving does not arise. When craving does not arise, clinging does not arise. Becoming does not arise. Birth does not arise. The current of suffering is therefore cut. Part 6. The Attainment of Sotāpanna. When wisdom clearly sees the truth of the 5 aggregates, the mind abandons 3 fetters. 1. Sakkaya Ditthi, the view of a permanent self. 2. Vicikicca, doubt in the Dhamma. 3. Silabbata paramasa, attachment to wrong rites and rituals. When these 3 are destroyed, that person attains Sotapatti phala, stream entry, which is the first stage of the noble ones in Theravada Buddhism. Part 7. The results of Sotāpanna. A Sotāpanna has these important characteristics. They will never fall into the lower realms again. They possess right understanding of the Dhamma. They will be reborn no more than 7 lifetimes. They move steadily toward Nibbāna. Their mind has entered the stream of Dhamma. Conclusion. From recollecting the Buddha, faith arises. Faith leads to concentration. Concentration leads to wisdom. Wisdom sees the 3 characteristics. When the truth is seen, the cycle of dependent origination is cut, and the mind enters the stream of Dhamma. This is the path. Buddhānussati 2, seeing the Dhamma 2, Sotāpanna.